Hi guys. I thought this might be a good time to start posting some easy art tutorials of things that you can easily do from home that require very little materials, stuff that you can probably find around the house. It'd be great if you could do an art scavenger hunt and go around the house and see if you can find crayons or pencils, blank paper, markers, colored pencils, chalk, anything that you can find to create art, and gather it and put it in a box so that you can easily use the materials every day to create art. The great thing about art is it's everywhere and you can create it anywhere. So, oh, don't forget about my partner. Okay, here is my partner.
I am her son, and I am gonna have a YouTube channel when I'm 9 or 10 years old.
We'll see about that.
Okay.
What's your name?
Joshua!
Okay, Joshy. So Josh is going to be helping me with the videos. I plan to try to post a daily art video, but we'll see how that goes. I may have other helpers as well, special guests for the videos, but this is a good way to keep the kids entertained and easy things that you can do from home. So the first one we're doing is a simple bubble art project. So what you'll need are, hang on, let's see here. You'll need 2 or 3 bowls, any kind of bowls. You'll need bubble solution with a wand, paper, and food coloring. We happen to have some food coloring in the cabinets, thank goodness, that we can use. But that's really all you need to create your art. Are you ready, Josh?
Yes, ma'am.
My helper here is going to help me. All we're doing first is getting our bubble solution and pouring a little bit into each bowl because we want to make 2 or 3 different colors of bubbles. So we have 4 bowls, so we're putting a little bit of bubble solution into each bowl.
Empty.
Now, for our food coloring, some food colorings are liquid, and you could just put little drops in each cup of each color, in each bowl I mean. Ours is gel, so he's going to have to scoop each color out, and just a little bit goes a long way. And so we're going to put 1 color in each bowl. So go ahead and scoop out a little bit of each food coloring and mix it with the solution. Our solutions mixed, we're going to go ahead and blow bubbles onto the blank paper to make our bubble art. Use different colors, and then all we're going to do is let it dry and it'll be done, and that's it. If you want to share some of your bubble art, if you make any, post your pictures in the comments.